Sensor box with the tag reader. Sensor box and tag. Data logger device. This device contains accelerometer, GPS, relay board, processor board, router, and battery. Outputs connection, sensor boxes, battery charger, and power button. Device's possible errors can be seen on the LCD of the process board. As you can see, the dispatcher is planning a trip to transport chickens. Determining departure location. Determining arrival location. Defining admissible lower limit for temperature. Defining admissible upper limit for temperature. Defining admissible limit for humidity. Defining admissible upper limit for the CO2 gas. Defining admissible upper limit for the ammoniac. Determining acceleration limit of the vehicle based on data logger installation, which is AX for bumps, AY for left and right deviations, AZ for braking, A for the results of movement acceleration. Defining the upper limit for air pressure. Determining the time interval to report the status of the sensors. In this section, you can see the information of the owners. In other words, the senders and receivers of livestock. The type of livestock is written here. In this section, the ID number of the logger device is selected. In the map ahead, you can see the proposed route from the beginning to the end, along with weather information at 3 points along the route. According to this information and the type of livestock transported, the dispatcher can decide to dispatch. Finally, the Create button is selected to begin the trip. In this section, the information of the data logger device can be observed, which gets updated every 1 minute. The container is loading the chickens. Location of the sensor box. Based on client's requirements, up to 4 sensor boxes are placed in proper locations of the container. In case of driving inappropriately across the bumps, the alarm turns on. Driver can find out about the alarm type and its intensity through the local web server. Same process takes place in case of braking or turning to left and right. For the 4 parameters of temperature, humidity, CO2 gas, and ammonia, if the limit is exceeded, the warning horn sounds at the end of 1 minute. Obviously, when the driver hears it, it is necessary to refer to the local network and find out about the type of warning and its amount. The driver response is to open more gates according to temperature, alarm, and high amount of CO2. It can be observed that livestock are transferred under safe circumstances with the minimum damage. After finishing the trip, its information is available in the trips list. Trips information, sensors average in the determined period, maximum and minimum number of the sensors, speed, height, and the air pressure in the determined period, which contains its location, number of stops, their locations, and the time spent on each stop. Also, if there is a change in the present status of the tag, it will be displayed in another table. In this section, creating a trip for more valuable livestock, such as horses, is shown. The settings of this section are filled according to the target animal as in the previous trips, with the difference that tag reader is used in this trip. After turning on the tag, we hang it on the neck of the animal. Placing the sensor box equipped with tag reader in the container and connecting its cable to the data logger. The tag can be read up to a distance of 15 meters from the sensor box equipped with a tag reader. Obviously, when the animal is removed from the container and it moves away, it is no longer able to detect the presence of the animal, and this is also announced to the driver in the form of a warning horn. It is possible to see the current status of all the sensors of the data logger device during the trip through the site.